my English kit to talk about, to present a strategy. So my strategy is smartphones as a teaching tool. So this is my strategy. So when we talk about listening, we talk about that we have to get better at students' skills. So this is an important tool for us. Nowadays, as teachers and many students have smartphones, but they don't use smartphones as we expect they use. So they just, the students just use the smartphone to navigate on internet and with communicative applications like Facebook, WhatsApp, and they don't use smartphone to study, to have English apps. So in this case, I'm gonna practice with you and I'm gonna give you some advices about how to use a smartphone in listening with students. So how to get better our listening skills. So my first proposal is English song. So as we know, there are many English songs. So but we can use classical music because this kind of music is slow and easy to understand, and they have a good pronunciation. English has a very good pronunciation. So I prefer a song, but I prefer it as a quiz. So this is Chicago song. So the title is How to Say I'm Sorry. I think you have heard that song before because it's a famous group. So I'm gonna give you a little page, a person box. So inside there are words that doesn't appear in the original lyrics. So I'm gonna play the song. Are you ready, guys? Ready? Wait. Wait, I forget some. So, lucky, go, away, holiday, stay, being, body, everybody, promise, and hold. Sorry, I wrote two words.
I have 4 children, 4 kids.
Tengo 4 niños.
All of them are boys. Not girls. Only boys.
Yes, solo muchachos.
You think so?
¿Pienso?
If I... Maybe.
Good.
But
Pero
not for me, I don't think, because I get an operation. I'm sure if to make a presentation about English ability or skill. ¿Cuál es la correcta para eso?
Both of them.
Really, the teacher is Meta and you are the student. Work together to make that in you. Teacher Omar, our training is.
As a future, in the reading, we select the classes. Speak about the future. Example about it is about the reading.
It is the year 21, 12. That year is not beautiful. With colors, blue. The fish has 4 eyes. And the dog has no legs. The humans are sad. Students to make it. I should that student. Maynard, can you to student repeat with you?
The student repeat. Accept teacher.
Accept teacher.
Repeat with me.
Imagine
It is the year
the year 21.
21, 12. The air is not beautiful. Color blue, green.
Con los colores azules, verdes y blancos. Ahora está fea con colores negro, café y gris. Los árboles. So, first we are going to place the students in a small group. That it is not for me because I have a few students, okay? But maybe for other students. And have them draw a circle in a piece of paper. No, they have to draw a circle in a piece of line. The circle in 8 parts. Give them a few minutes to write. Next, the students assign points to the 8 parts of the pizza. Students have to read, have to speak, with this sentence. That's the idea. It is.
We have writing presentation, writing skill, also writing some method how the students can write a paragraph or any other subject. So the first thing that we thought about was about memorization. Why? Because every English class we have a different subject where the student has to write down. So we think in memorization because when we have a subject, the student has to know the vocabulary we teach that day. So what is this notation? We choose from the subject 10 words in order to the students study those 10 words for the next day. They have to listen and write a salutation. So there is a good idea how the